Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Brawl Stars character. This time it's gonna be the very powerful Edgar. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's got a really cool hair. So we're going to start out by drawing the hair first, and we're just going to draw one big curve on the top. So this will be the top of the head. And then from here, this side is going to come in. I know it's very strange, so just come all the way down first. And then from this point here, I'm just going to curve up slightly we're gonna draw another big strand. So this one, we'll just continue with this. We'll curve out past this. And then now whatever space you have here, make this nice and sharp. Just kind of curve and connect that. I know this is a bit of a tricky shape to draw. It's kind of like a big speech bubble actually, when you look at it like that. All right, to add in a little bit more detail right here, I'm just gonna divide up the strands. I'm just gonna curve this one up. Okay, so that's gonna be the hair, and we're gonna come down and draw the face. So most of the face is gonna be covered up by the hair. So we're just gonna come to the middle right here, just come down. This is gonna be the chin. And then from here, we just curve, just one big curve all the way around. That's gonna be the jawline. And then from this point here, we'll just go up. Let's give it a slight curve. So that's gonna be the face, and just come back to the middle right here. I'm gonna draw his mouth. One little line, and then for the lower lip. So he's got his mouth kind of partially open. All right, and then let's see, we won't see this eye, so we're just gonna draw one here. So right on the side, just come down and then go in, just kind of curve it right behind the hair. And then to finish up the eyeball, I'm just gonna add one little dot right here. All right, and then from here, to draw in the ears, just one big curve right on the side. And we can add one little line here just for some detail. So that's gonna be the face, and let's see, this should be part of the ear right here, so I'm just gonna curve up. Just fill up that space. And then now for the scarf, I'm gonna come right underneath the ear. Just draw a big bracket. And then on the bottom, just round it out. Same curve as the jawline. So that's gonna be the scarf, and let's see if we can divide that up. And here's the middle. I'm gonna come out to the side here. Just give it a slight curve. Right here in the middle, another curve. So it's almost like this. In the middle of this curve. All right, so that's the scarf. Now let's come down and draw the body, and the body is a lot easier to draw because it's very cartoony. So we're just gonna come out to the side right here for his shirt. Come in, and then just go back up. Okay, and then right in the middle right here, we're drawing the belt buckle. And then on the side here, we're gonna draw the belt. So just come down and just go right into the circle. And we'll connect up that space, just fill it out. All right, and we can add in some details to the belt. I'm just gonna add a little square right there. All right, so now for the arms, let's draw in this one first. So here's the armpit right around here. Come out, just like a little bar. And then we're gonna add one little section here. Close it off, so this is almost like a box. And then now for the gloves, so I'm gonna extend this, just one big rectangle. And then now for the fist, let's see, we'll come down here. It's one little hook for the thumb. And it's got those gloves, so it actually makes it a little bit easier to draw. Here's the back. And then we just connect this first. So just connect it with a line. And right here for the fingers, just round it up. And we can add one little line here to divide up the fingers. All right, so for this side, it's gonna be a slightly different pose. We're gonna come out to the shoulders right here. Just connect that first, just one little angle. And then right on the corner, I'm gonna draw his fist. So this is gonna be his thumb. I know it's very strange right now. And then from here, we're gonna draw the rest of the fingers. So just one big egg shape, just right touching the thumbs right there. And then I'm gonna add in two little lines here for the fingers. And then for the arm, we'll just keep it simple. Just kind of connect the space up. All right, so that's the upper body. And now let's come down and draw his legs and his shoes. So right in the middle, just one little line first. And then let's go ahead and angle down for the inside of his leg. Come back out here. Same angle going down. And then for his shoes, he's got those really cool looking high tops right here. I'm just gonna draw a curve going up first. Come out to the side. I'm gonna come down. Come down, just stop a little bit short. I'm gonna give it a slight bump and then connect that. All right, and then on this side, just continue this. Just come all the way down. Okay, so same thing on this side. Extend it out, come down here, just stop a little bit short. Give it a little bit of a bump. Close it off. And then same thing here, just curve and then just go all the way down. All right, and then for the little details right here, just gonna draw a little rectangle. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body. And to finish up the scarf, so this one, I'm just gonna have it flowing out this way. So I'm just gonna curve. So on the bottom here, same thing here, just curve and then just connect that. So we just keep it simple. And then for this one, let's have it go down. So it's gonna be behind here. So same thing here, just come down and then just close it off. And if you want to add in a little detail on his shirt inside, we can just draw like a little circle here. 2 X for the eyes and then 1 little line for the mouth. And that is it for this Edgar. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.